Hello traders, good evening. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in to Stock Daddy 41. This is your host Ali Abbas. Today the market opened gap down and started moving slightly up, which I was actually predicting it would take a resistance on this closing over here, on this closing range, and then probably come back down. But there was very high volatility today. It moved up, फिर काफी नीचे गिरा, फिर वापस ऊपर गया, फिर नीचे आया, and then it settled here at 52,600. So quite some movements today, and we got only one trade that is on the put side. I'll just share it with you. तो एक ही ट्रेड मिला आज and the entry was at 205. As you can see, the buy level over here at 409, 411, yeah, 410. You can just focus on the listing over here, 410, but the stop loss was 344. The first target was 443. We met it over here, and the second target chalte chalte ruk gaya, and we had to exit over here because of the time up. So 410 was the entry, 465 was the exit, and I'll take you to the points now. So traders, on the 15th we had two trades as shown in my previous video, and on the 16th, sorry, there was no trade triggered because it was a ranging market. 17th was a holiday, and today 18th 2:05 p.m. was where the buy signal triggered on 52,400 put option. 410 was the buy level, and 443 was the first target where we booked two lots, booking 66 points cumulative. And then all the rest of the three lots were booked at 465, which was not the second target. But since the time was up, we collected 165 points cumulative total. So 231 points added to our total, and we are now at 53.4% of the target. So there are about 9 trading sessions left, and we have a long way to go. Let's see how we cover it in the days to come. Thank you.